Let's talk about forums, discussion boards, or online communities. If you've noticed a theme of a lot of the videos that I'm creating in this video series, you'll notice that they offer online communities like social networking. As far as it comes to blog posting, very similar as far as comment blogging. So they all are very similar, so you don't have to learn a whole lot. However, they are very powerful in bringing a lot of good traffic back to your site. Now, as far as forums goes, I don't recommend you spamming, so I said no spamming. And all this has to do with is going in forums, chatting, talking like you normally do, but offering some tips, something of value, sort of like how I talked in the blog comments video. So what you're doing is you're offering value, something of content, advice, tips, things like that. But at the same time, you want to focus on those forum boards that specifically relate to your website. So you want to seek out those types of posts. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go to a forum. Now, what I'm going to do here is start out at Google as usual, and what I want you to do is do a search for a forum. So you'll need to type in the keyword plus a forum. And whatever keyword that is needs to be general. So let's say I'm looking for a video forum, I could do that. My website relates to videos. Or I'm looking for a fitness or weightlifting forum or a bodybuilding forum. Whatever forum that relates to a general keyword related to your website. Now, I know what forum I'm going to go to because I go there here a lot, and it's called the Warrior Forum. Warrior Forum is like an internet marketing forum. And here is where it is located. And I'll just go ahead and log in. And what I like about it is it tells you the top 5 stats, the latest blog entries, the latest classified ads, hottest threads. And what I normally do is I just go ahead and start looking around. But if you want to get into specifics, if you create an account and click on search and then try to find that keyword that you're looking for. So let's say that I want to find an affiliate marketing topic. So if I search for affiliate marketing, threads in specifics, I'll notice that there are topics here that are listed that talk about affiliate marketing. Now, the one thing to make note of here is that when you look at the latest post or last post, make sure that the last post is frequent. Right now it is January 20th, 2009. So January 20th, 2009. I want to make sure that I don't go past, and if let's say I find one here that says December 20th, that's the last post. Most likely you don't want to post onto that post, mainly because some of these forums have rules that say if you bump posts that are like a month or 2 months old, then you might get, in trouble. So you don't want to get in trouble. You want to make sure you follow the rules. And some forums don't have that rule, so make sure you read up on the forum rules before you start posting and find specific topics that you're familiar with. So this person says, are any affiliates really making any money? So you can go ahead and read the first post, which is the original post, and see what their argument is, their complaint, whatever it is that they're talking about. Take that and then make a reply by going down to the bottom and clicking a message and typing your reply and relate it and see what kind of advice, see what kind of tips that you can give to that person. And you got to remember that people will go down and read this post, and then they'll read some other posts. And when your post is down here, make sure you don't make it too long. So you want to make it straightforward. You want to make it so that it has valuable tips. And so forth. So that's basically the whole concept of forums, discussion boards, and online communities. So you could do that. Make sure you use that Google method that I showed you earlier to find forums and other discussion boards that relate specifically to your website. And not only do you get backlinks, you get actual traffic coming to your site. Now, I talked about how to use the forum, but I didn't talk about adding a signature, which is the more important part where you get the link back or backlink. So you'll notice that this person has a signature and they have 3 links here. Now, to create your signature, you just need to go into your user cPanel, which is your control panel, and edit your signature. Click on Edit Signature, and you'll notice for me I have something that says top marketers stamp their names on my PLR videos. And then what you can do is, what it looks like is this. Basically, you can follow that same concept where you have the words here, and then you have your URL here. And the URL is made by putting a bracket, typing out URL equals quotations, then a bracket, and then put your URL here, and then whatever your link title is, put it in between here, bracket slash URL, bracket, and that's it. So that's how to make your signature, and that's how to get backlinks as well as good traffic back to your site.